Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 29th of August 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Nifty, Bank Nifty. So whatever has happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the educational purpose. Now coming back to the market. Alright, I had posted a tweet on Sunday, which was yesterday, saying that Mr. Powell or somebody else had given a speech on Friday that they may raise the inflation by approximately 2%, which was not good news, and the Nasdaq fell around 400 points. Sorry, it fell 400 points, and then Dow Jones fell around 1,008 points on the same day. And looking at those charts, looking at the everything, even the Brent crude oil has crossed $100 per barrel, while the dollar US index remains firm at 108, which indicates to a negativity in the market. And as expected, we can clearly see how much big the gap down has happened. The previous closing, if we see, the previous closing was at 39,221, while the opening was at 38,315, which is approximately 907 points gap down opening, which is something next level. While the low was at 38,129 and the high was at 38,560. If we come back to the charts, we can clearly see the first candle on 3 minutes, the higher of the wick was 38,427 430, and the lower of the wick was 38,320. And you see, this wick of 100 points could not even sustain. This is such a big, if you had entered a call position over here, I don't know what that person of loss might be seeing, but I hope it might have not. But if you had entered somewhere around here in the call position, you might have got a really bounce back position. As from touching the low of 38,137, we saw a fast recovery happening in the one candle itself, which was approximately 120-30 points, and then from there to making a close first day high was at 38,554, and while the second high was at 39,559. And let me confirm it. Yes, it is 560, correct. So this was the high of this day, but it, from the first day highs, it couldn't sustain, breaks down, again goes up, couldn't sustain, breaks down, goes completely sideways. If we click and then see here around this point how sideways this market has been, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, we can clearly see and we can get to know how the things have been over here. And from there it has just gone up over here, something like this, 486. From there it has kept on moving higher, and then seems like if this trend line breaks, it may open up. But looking at the market, looking at the global scenarios right now, what I feel, what I get to know after seeing the data, that the market may open again tomorrow, gap down. I don't know where it will open, but my first target would be 38,111. My second target would be 37,835, and the third target would be 37,739. This would be my targets. So let us see what will happen. Definitely this gap filling is going to happen. If we shift to 15 minutes time frame, one second, if we shift to 15 minutes time frame, there is nothing. It may either fill the gap in the future nearby, but not anything as of now. Dow Jones look weak, Nasdaq looks weak for me, but let us see how things will happen tomorrow morning. Now moving to Nifty 50. Yes, so Nifty 50 previous closing was at 17,653, while the opening was at 17,290, and then low was at 17,250, high was at 17,440. And if we see the candle moving, the first candle was followed same as Bank Nifty, higher the wick but couldn't sustain the high. The top of the wick was 17,311 and the low of the wick was 17,297. It couldn't sustain much, and then from there it has quickly taken a quickly recovery, and then from there it has just continues for a sideways approximately from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. So 2 hours of sideways market, quick drop, quick gap, quick up, quick recovery, goes to the day's high, couldn't sustain, again comes up, goes to the day's high, again couldn't sustain, and then from there it down. For me, the tomorrow target, the targets for Nifty 50 in tomorrow would be, the first target would be around 17,000. That is what I see coming. Or let us change that. 17,194 would be my first target. Second target would be 17,012. Third target would be 17,080. So this is how the things are going in the market as of now. Everything looks bearish, but I don't know, Indian markets are always crazy. Last time I remember something had like this has happened in the US, but the Indian market didn't react much and it performed really well. Again, I'm not sure, I may be wrong, maybe tomorrow the market may fill the gap, I don't know, but even it may have a gap up opening or gap down opening and then quick recovery to fill this gap in the empty place. So let us see what will happen tomorrow and just hope for the best. Yes, that's all from my side today. Thank you so much everyone for staying up until here. See you all in the next episode. Also, the market may remain closed on the 31st of August on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. Wishing you all a happy Ganesh Chaturthi, and wishing you and your family only the best. Thank you everyone.